Getting some shut-eye, understanding the phrase. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into a popular English slang phrase that you might have heard before, shut-eye. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how and when to use it. Shut-eye is a casual and informal phrase that means sleep. It's a way of referring to the act of closing one's eyes to rest or sleep. The word shut means to close something, and eye is, well, the organ we use to see. So, when someone is getting some shut-eye, they're essentially closing their eyes to sleep. Understanding a phrase is easier when we see it used in sentences, right? Let's go through some. 1. I didn't get enough shut-eye last night, so I'm really tired today. 2. Could you keep the noise down? I'm trying to get some shut-eye here. 3. Before the big game tomorrow, make sure you get plenty of shut-eye. 4. The baby finally got some shut-eye after crying for hours. From these examples, you can see that the term shut-eye can be used interchangeably with the word sleep. Because shut-eye is informal slang, it's important to know the appropriate situations to use it. Do use shut-eye when chatting with friends or in a relaxed setting. Do use shut-eye for a touch of humor or casualness. Don't use shut-eye in formal situations, like in a business meeting or in academic writing. Don't use shut-eye when you need to be very precise or clinical about sleep. And that's the lowdown on shut-eye. Next time you're feeling sleepy or talking about sleep in a casual conversation, you can confidently use this phrase. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, but also about understanding the culture and nuances behind the words. We hope this video helps you get a bit more shut-eye into your English journey. Sweet dreams, and until next time,